Alright guys, so I'll just quickly show you how the software components of this works. So basically I have OBS installed now. I'll put that through in the link and you should see a screen very similar to this. Basically the way that this works is you've got scenes where you can set up different setups. So I can have one for DJing, one for games. Basically just want to leave it on the first scene. And then secondly, these are your sources. So this is basically where you'll have your attached cameras, the audio output of your mixer, and so forth. So basically, I'll just put this one together so you can see how this one works. So I'll just delete these at the moment. So I've got display capture up at the moment because that's actually how I'm actually recording, and also audio input. So basically yours will be black, and all you need to do is basically hit the plus button in the sources section down here and choose what you want. So first of all we'll choose an image, and I'll show you guys where to get the background images. You can call that what you like. Basically just find the image. So I've got a couple of OBS ones that I've already downloaded. Click OK. You can obviously readjust that as you see fit. Secondly to this, you'll want to then add whatever cameras that you're using. So I've got 2 cameras. So I'll go my front camera first. And when you do this, change this default down to custom, and then change resolution. And you want it to be pretty low, so you're not doing massive uploading, and it has to be widescreen. So the 640 by 360 is a good one. And now you can move that, readjust it. That's one of them. And then the second one, we will use this one here, which I've already got, which is display capture. Now the display capture one, this will be more than likely where you'll have your Serato screen if you're using that. That way you can actually play essentially whatever you like, really. You can sort of show the music that you're running and that sort of thing. So I've just opened up Serato on my screen. I'll just give that 2 seconds. There we go. And so now you should be able to see Serato on that screen there. So I'll just download that for 2 seconds. And the next one, I'll add my other camera. So I'll add another video capture device. Change that to my other camera. Which I don't have on at the moment. That's right, we'll ignore that. And then basically, last but not least, you've got to choose your audio. So basically, I've got a DDJ SX, which is, one of the DJ controllers. So I'll be using audio output capture. And I'll be leaving that on default. So at the moment my computer's default is my external sound card, but obviously you can change that to suit. If you're running the audio directly out of your mixer, then actually choose the Pioneer mixer and basically go from there. Obviously you might have to muck around with this because obviously you have to have whatever the audio is running through the computer. So just have a muck around with that and get it working. Happy to test that with you guys, but for me it's just default. Click OK. And then that's basically it. From there you can obviously shuffle these up and down. So for me, I may want one audio capture device over the other, in which case you can shift them. Or like for example, if I put the image at the top, it's going to overrun everything. So I actually want the image layer down the bottom. So it's very similar to things like Photoshop. And then once you're done, it actually saves on the fly. So you don't have to resave this. That'll actually save as it is. Then basically from here, what you need to do is, let me just readjust this so you can see my whole screen. So you can see what I'm about to do. So from there, you'll want to hit start streaming, which will then open up your web browser. And I'll pop this link up as well. Yeah, so this is basically Facebook Live browser, and what the OBS will ask for is this stream key. So you basically just copy the stream key and put it straight into the browser. So again, when I hit start streaming, I already have my key in there, so it's basically already set up. And then once that's starting to stream, you can see down the bottom here where I've now got go live. And then once you hit go live, that will automatically send that up to your page and you will be live. So once you hit go live, you can pretty much hit play on your mixer and get amongst it. Hopefully this helps out. I'll try to do a better video later on.